Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete files in your GitHub repository. This is a straightforward process that helps you clean up unnecessary files and keep your projects organized. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of all your repositories. Click on the repository that contains the file you want to delete. This will open up that specific repository and display all the files and folders within it. Take a moment to locate the exact file you need to remove. Once you've found it, click directly on the file name. This action will open the file and display its contents on your screen. It's a good idea to double check that this is indeed the file you want to delete before proceeding, since you want to avoid removing anything by accident. With the file now open, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, select Delete File. This tells GitHub that you want to remove this particular file from your repository. After selecting Delete File, GitHub will prompt you to confirm this action. In the upper right corner, you'll see a button labeled Commit Changes. Click on this button to proceed. What this does is prepare the deletion to be recorded as a change in your repository's history. GitHub tracks every modification you make, so this commit is how the system logs that you've removed a file. A confirmation dialog will then appear on your screen. This is GitHub's way of making sure you really want to go through with deleting the file. Click Commit Changes once more to finalize the deletion. Once you do this, the file will be permanently removed from your repository, and there you have it. The file has been successfully deleted from your GitHub repository, helping you maintain a clean and organized project structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.